Newly elected MPs of BJP-led National Democratic Alliance arrived at Central Hall of Old Parliament building to elect Narendra Modi as their leader, paving a way for him to take oath as Prime Minister for third term. Senior BJP leader MP Prahlad Joshi said that Narendra Modi will be sworn in as Prime Minister for the third consecutive term on Sunday at 6 p.m. Besides, NDA MPs, senior leaders of the alliance, including chief ministers, were present in the meeting held at 11:30 a.m. today. Senior leader of BJP, Rajnath Singh's proposal of Narendra Modi as a parliamentarian leader was seconded by BJP's Amit Shah, Nitin Gadkari, JDS leader H.D. Kumaraswamy, Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, TDP Chief Chandrababu Naidu, Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar, LJP RV Chief Chirag Pawan, HAM Ham Chief Jitan Ram Majni, and Apna Dal S Anupriya Patel. Prime Minister-elect Narendra Modi today said that the NDA government will deliver good governance and development in the next 10 years and will make the dream of making India a developed nation true. Prime Minister Modi congratulated the newly elected members of the Lok Sabha and thanked all the party workers who worked tirelessly day and night amid the heat wave for the party during the Lok Sabha elections. Prime Minister Modi said that voters from 22 states have voted the NDA to power.